Welcome to the 12th and final tip in this video marketing series. Last but not least, since it's one of the most important things you can do to improve your videos and their impact on your business, and that is to track your results. If you're not used to tracking results, this may sound a little daunting, but it doesn't have to be, particularly if you keep things simple. By that, I mean if you focus only on the information that will help you understand two things. One is how well each individual video is working in relation to the specific action you want your audience to take. The other is how well your overall video marketing strategy is contributing to achieving your specific business goals. One of the great things about using video is that much of the information you'll need to review both these things is probably already being collected for you automatically. If you upload a video to YouTube, for example, then embed it on your own website, you can gain free and instant access to most of the answers you'll need, including the number of views your videos receive and how much of each video your viewers actually watch. There are also plenty of software packages that can analyze your website for you. Even a free tool like Google Analytics, which is very easy to install, will tell you a great deal about the visitors to your website, such as how they came to your site, which pages they visit, how long they stay on those pages, and a whole lot more. So, track your results and use the data to improve your video marketing and better achieve your goals. I'm afraid that's all we have time for in this series. If you'd like more information on video marketing or how to create video, why not head over to our website, easyreplaySales.com/video, for more video resources. Thanks for watching, and here's to your video marketing success.